Question number 6. Now just see, two crossroads, each of width 10 meters, cut at right angles through the center of the rectangular park of length 700 meters and breadth 300 meters and parallel to its sides. Find the area of the roads. Also find the area of the park excluding crossroads. Give the answer in hectares. So children, we will just understand this question with the help of a figure. So children, just see, this is a rectangular park. This is a rectangular park, A, B, C, D, and these are the roads cutting at right angles to each other. Okay, these are the roads cutting at right angle to each other, and it lies in the center of the rectangular park. So this is AB is 700 meters and breadth is, that is BC is 300 meters. These are the dimensions of a rectangular park. ये क्या ABCD क्या है, एक रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क है और इसके सेंटर में क्या है, क्रॉस रोड से, और इनका एंगल क्या है, these lies at right angles. These cross each other. These roads cross each other at right angles. Okay, and you have to find the area of the roads. So just name these roads as P, Q, R, S, and this is E, F, G, H. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to find the area of the roads and you have to find the area of the park excluding you have to find the area of the roads and find the area of the park excluding the crossroads. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या दे रखा है, ABCD एक रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क है जिसकी डायमेंशंस दे रखी है, लेंथ इज 700 एंड द ब्रेथ इज 300 meters and in the center there are cross roads which cut each other at right angle. तो ये कौन सी रोड है, दिस इज PQRS एंड दिस इज EFGH, और ये क्या है, कॉमन एरिया जहाँ पे ये मीट कर रही है. इज इट क्लियर? दिस इज द कॉमन एरिया. इसको भी हम लेबल कर देते हैं. वी विल जस्ट लेबल दिस एज GHIJ. Is it clear? Now first of all we'll just find the dimensions of this road. Okay, ये क्या हमारे पास रेक्टेंगल EFGH है, तो हम फर्स्ट किसके रेफरेंस में बात करेंगे, फर्स्ट विल जस्ट टॉक अबाउट द रोड EFGH, that is rectangle EFGH and width of the road is given to you, that is 10 meters. इसकी width कितनी है, that is the width of the road is 10 meters. Okay, so length कितनी है यहाँ पे, that is length is 700 and breadth कितनी हो जाएगी, we are talking about the road EFGH, so length AB is equals to EF which is equals to 700, and if you are just talking about the breadth, that is the width of the road, width of the cross road, which is equals to 10 meter. Now we'll just talk about rectangle PQRS. So what is the length over here? Now PQRS के लिए लेंथ क्या हो जाएगी, AD is equals to PS which is equals to 300 meters. And what will be the breadth? You can see breadth will be the 10 meters. Okay, and this is the common area, that is the square GHIJ is square GHIJ, और इसमें साइड कितनी है, that is 10 meters. Is it clear? अब area of the roads क्या हो जाएगा, that is the area of the rectangle EFGH प्लस एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल PQRS, और एक कॉमन एरिया है तो इसको हम क्या कर देंगे, विल जस्ट माइनस दिस, सो वी कैन जस्ट राइट इट हियर, एरिया ऑफ रोड्स इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल EFGH plus area of rectangle PQRS minus area of square, that is GHIJ. Okay, now we'll just substitute the values. Area of rectangle EFGS, so what are the dimensions? That is 700 into 10 plus area of rectangle PQRS, that is 300 into 10 minus, that is the area of square GHIJ, that is 10 into 10. Is it clear? Now 7000 plus 3000 minus 100. So it comes out to be 10,000 minus 100, that is 9,900 meter square. So this is the area of the roads. This is the area of the roads. Okay. Now you have to convert it into hectares. So you will just divide by 10,000, that is 9,900 upon 10,000. So it comes out to be 0.99 hectares. So area of the roads in hectares is 0.99 hectares. Now just see the second part of this question. Also find the area of the park excluding the crossroads. Now children, what you have to do? You have to find the area of the park excluding the crossroads. So just see over here. Area of a park excluding the crossroads is equal to area of the rectangle ABCD, area of rectangle ABCD minus area of roads. Okay, so area of rectangle ABCD will be 700 into 300 minus area of the roads. Area of the roads कितना आया था हमारे पास? That is 9900. Okay, so 22 lakh, just see 21 2,10,000 minus 9900, which comes out to be 200,100 meter square. Now you have to answer it in hectares, so again you will just divide it by 10,000. So 200,100 upon 10,000. So your answer is, that is 20.01 hectares. So area of the park excluding the roads in hectares is 20.01 hectares and area of the roads is equal to 0.99 hectares. Is it clear, students? Now we'll just move to the next question over here. Now children, please come to question number 9. We'll solve question number 9. Just see question number 9. The adjoining figure represents a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in the middle. Fine. So first of all, children, we'll draw the figure over here. So figure is given in your books. This is a circle and radius of this circle is 2 meters, and this is a rectangular lawn. Breadth is 5 meters and length is 10 meters. So children, you can see that this is a rectangular lawn and inside this rectangular lawn there is a circular flower bed. Okay. Now first part, what is this asked over here? You have to find the area of the whole land. What you have to find? You have to find the area of the whole land. Now you can see that the area of a rectangular lawn, which is the whole land, that is length into breadth. So area of the whole land area of a whole land is equal to length into breadth, which is equals to 10 into 5, which is equals to 50 meter square. So area of a whole land is equals to 50 meter square. Now just see the second part. You have to find the area of a flower bed. You can see, children, that this flower bed is circular, so you have to find the area of a circle. So just see the second part. Area of a circular flower bed is equal to pi r square, because this is circle. And what is the value of pi you can take? That is 22 upon 7 into r square, that is 2 into 2. So 22 into 4 upon 7, that is 88 upon 7, okay. So it comes out to be 12.56 meter square. So area of a flower bed is equals to 88 upon 7, which is equals to 12.56 meter square. Now just see the third part. The area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed. So what you have to do? You have to find the area of a lawn excluding the area of a flower bed. That means you have to find the difference of the area of a lawn and the area of the circular flower bed. So it comes out to be, that is the area of a lawn excluding area of a flower bed is equal to, that is 50 meter square minus 12.56, which is equals to 37.44 meter square. Is it clear? Now the last part, circumference of a flower bed. Circumference of a flower bed is equal to 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2, okay. So what will be the circumference now? So it comes out to be 12.56 meters, okay. Is it clear? So in this way we have just solved the 4 parts. Now just come to the last question. We'll just solve the last question. Now that is the question number 11, okay. Last question of the exercise. This is the last question. So what is given over here? Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Here AC is equals to 22 centimeters, BM is equals to 3 centimeter, DN is equals to 3 centimeter, and BM perpendicular to AC and DN perpendicular to AC. So children, first of all we'll just construct the figure, okay. We'll just label it. This is the quadrilateral ABCD. AC is equals to 22 centimeters, it is given to you. Length of the perpendicular is given to you, that is BM is equals to 3 centimeter, and DN is also equals to 3 centimeters, and BM is perpendicular to AC and DN is perpendicular to AC, okay. This is N, that is DN, and this is M, that is BM, okay. Now what you have to do? You have to find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Now children, you can see in this figure that this quadrilateral ABCD is divided into 2 triangles, that is the triangle ABC and the triangle ADC. So if we'll just find the area of both the triangles and add them, then you can just get the area of the quadrilateral. So we can just write out over here, that is area of a quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Okay. That is the area of the quadrilateral ABCD is the sum of the area of the triangle ABCD and area of the triangle ADC. So what is the formula for area of the triangle? That is half of base into height. So first we are considering triangle ABC. So half, what is the base in this triangle ABC? You can see children, AC is the base. So AC, and what is the height? That is height is BM. Okay. Now similarly, plus half of, now we are considering triangle ADC. So again base is same, that is AC, half into AC, and what is the height over here? That is height is BN. Now you can substitute the values. So half of AC, that is 22 centimeter. And what is the height? That is BM is 3 centimeter plus half into AC, that is 22, and DN is again 3 centimeters. Now you can just do the calculation over here children. So it is 11, again here it is 11. So 33 plus 33, which is equals to 66 centimeter square. So children, you can see that the area of the quadrilateral ABCD is equals to 66 centimeter square. So children, I hope whatever I have taught you, you understood it well. So keep on practicing more and more questions. That's all for today. Thank you.